Hello, this is Biyovent Ventilator produced by Biosys Biomedical. This ICU type ventilator has different group of modes: volume controlled modes, pressure controlled modes, spontaneous modes, and smart ventilation mode. In this video, we will show the smart mode, which is also called Biyovent SAV mode. The SAV mode functions by monitoring the patient's breathing signals and supporting their natural, spontaneous breathing. SAV mode is an adaptive mode used in mechanical ventilators, changing according to the patient's respiratory effort and mechanics, such as resistance and compliance. This mode ensures the patient's minute ventilation is guaranteed. In Biyovent SAV mode, the ventilator allows the patient to make an effort to breathe. This strengthens the patient's respiratory muscles and encourages natural breathing. The ventilator tracks the patient's respiratory effort and adjusts the necessary pressure and flow accordingly. This mode can help the patient maintain natural breathing during ventilation. It can reduce the side effects of ventilator use and prevent the weakening of the patient's respiratory muscles. Biyovent SAV mode is especially useful for patients requiring long-term mechanical ventilation. The goal of the SAV mode is to minimize the patient's respiratory workload. Clinicians only need to adjust PEEP and fractional inspired oxygen and minute ventilation in the SAV mode. However, it must not be forgotten that usage of this mode should be done under doctor supervision. Thank you.